Hi, I'm Sadie from Sadie Says Today, and this is your guide to gouache brands. In this guide, we will explore which gouache tools are perfect for you to start your painting journey. Gouache has been becoming more and more popular these days, but there's not so much information out there. And there's one question that I hear all the time. What supplies should I use? Well, here's your answer. I have collected a large variety of gouache paints, and I am so excited to share with you my findings about each of them in this class. We will compare each of these brands on different aspects, including opacity, light fastness, consistency, and overall quality. At the end of this class, I hope that you will have discovered some awesome new gouache paints and be able to determine which one is right for you. Your final project is to share with all of us which gouache paints you have chosen and why. I'm super excited to start this class with you, so join me and we can get going.